Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today. It really does mean a lot that you've taken some time out to join my channel. So, in today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I wanted to do a look with these. I've not used these for such a long time now, and they was in my drawer waiting to be used up with a lot of other single eyeshadows. So we've got this one. I absolutely love this, guys. It's the Urban Decay Solstice. Are they the Moon Dust? I think they are the Moon Dust eyeshadows, but it's such a beautiful shade. And they are quite expensive, aren't they? I think this was £18 just for that when I bought it. And I do have the matching liquid eyeliner, not eyeliner, liquid shadow as well. So I thought I would put that underneath, and then we could put that eyeshadow on top. And then I've got the same one in Chemtrail, and I thought we could do that for the inner corners. But before we jump into that, I thought we could use a little bit of this because I've not used this in such a long time. I don't think I've used it all month. So I've got my NYX base on. I'm still going to use, let me get the brush. I'm still going to use, I can't even remember the name, white chocolate. It's got a pretty healthy dip going on in the middle. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. That brush has got one of my hairs. So we're just going to put that all over the lid, and then obviously right, and then I'm going to go in with salted caramel. I just need to find the brush. Okay, so I'm just going to use this New Look one. I've been like tapping my eyeshadow on lately, and I actually like that. Could do with a smaller mirror so you can actually see what I'm doing, so let me go and get one. Okay, just like that, just tapping. And I don't really need to do that with this eyeshadow because I know how pigmented it is, and we will blend it as well. Just going to go into the outer V a little bit. I've literally been uploading a video now for, I wouldn't say 24 hours, but it's getting close to that mark. It is a fairly long video. I think it's 40 minutes. It's my get ready with me using Shop My Stash products. Last night a video went up that shouldn't have gone up. I obviously scheduled it. I scheduled it and it went up. It was the final look of the Makeup Obsession Sunshine Makes Me Happy. So look number 1 and look number 2 hadn't gone up. So yeah, that went up. But I did want the Get Ready With Me using Shop My Stash products to go up first. And then I was going to put all 3 looks up. So obviously it's going to be a little bit different this time around. I really like that. That's enough pigmentation. I'm going to blend it out a little bit. But first of all, I'm just going to like go to this eye. So yeah, as I was saying, it's been taking absolutely forever to upload. Sometimes I do just have, like sometimes it will upload really quickly. At the moment I just have normal broadband. So it's not the fastest. And it's not one of the best broadbands out there that you can buy either. Anyway, I was complaining about it because I was pretty much paying through the roof for it. When I first originally got this broadband, it was £17, and then they was charging me like £35 for it, and I'm like, that doesn't seem right, you know. So I called them up. I had a complaint about something else. I called them up, and they said, well, we can do your broadband for £23 a month, which is good because I'm not paying that much. I'm paying more than that now, so it is good. And obviously it's faster, so it will help with the YouTube videos. So I'm going to see how I get on with that the next 12 months, and if I feel like it's not quick, then I'll just go back to the normal rate after the 12-month period has lapsed. But fibre optic's meant to be quicker, isn't it? So hopefully, fingers crossed. Right, now I need this brush here. I'm just gonna, no, not that one, the Primark one. Right, and I'm just gonna blend them out a little bit, because in places it's looking harsh. It's just a really simple look, but it just gives me the opportunity to use all the eyeshadows I've been saying, oh, I haven't used that yet, so that can stay in until I use it. So these can actually, like the single shadows, can actually go back in my collection because we would have used them today. And today I'm going to go out shopping. I mean, it's a really bad day, but I need to go out shopping. I didn't go last week, and then I was supposed to go yesterday. And I thought I would take you with me. I thought I would go to the retail park near me, and also I thought I might go to Aldi and see what makeup they've got in there. Not that I don't know if I'm gonna be buying anything. Right, and then we're gonna go back in with that white chocolate shade. I just need to find the brush. Right, I'll just use this Real Techniques Deluxe Crease brush. It's not the brush for it, but saves me okay, so that's looking good. Right, so at the minute we need to be putting this on. So this is the shade Solstice as well. I'm not sure. I think I might try putting it on with this brush here. I'm just going to run it through the colour switch, because I have tried putting it on with the little thing that comes with it there. Never goes on right. So let's see what we can do by spreading some onto the actual brush. Ooh, pretty. It's very, very sheer, guys. It's not like the eyeshadow formula of it. I keep hearing like a vibration and I'm thinking, is that my phone? Like before I go to my mum's, I need to do a washing. This is so pretty, guys. For the end. I mean, look at that. That is so nice. I'll remember to do it this way in future. And I definitely need to start using this more, because obviously it's a cream product, and I've barely used it as well. I wouldn't mind a few more of the eyeshadow formula of the Moon Dust shades. The duochromes. They're just really, really expensive. I only got Solstice because I really like this this cream one. Had this first. And then I saw Life Your Runaway Abbey. This was a while ago, it was at least a good year ago. Yeah, she used it in one of her videos, or swatched it in one of her videos, and I'm like, oh, that's so nice, I'm going to have to look into buying that. And then it said that they didn't do it anymore, but I went into my local Debenhams and I saw it, and when I saw the price, I'm like, it's pricey for one shadow, but worth it. Look at that glitter. That's so nice. I think I'm going to wait for it to dry down a little bit. Otherwise it's just all going to come off of my hand. And then we'll go in with the eyeshadow powder. What we're going to do is we're going to put salted caramel down on the lash line. I'm going to go in with this accent brush. I always forget the name of it. I think some's gone in my eye. Just gotta be really careful since I had that eye infection. I keep thinking, is this gonna give me an eye infection? Right, and then I need a brush for the eyeshadow, so let me go and find. Okay, so I'm going to use this PS Beauty one. I'm sure it's exactly the same as the one that I've just used. So we'll try and use that section. So we're just going to go in with this beautiful powder. Don't know if I'm going to have to wet it, but we'll see. This is looking beautiful. It's more of an eyeshadow for your night out kind of look. If you go into a party or something like that. But because I've gone through all the palettes that I pulled out for this week, apart from the Armed and Gorgeous one, that's going to probably stay in, I just thought I would create a look with this. Look at it. Now, I did want to wear a red lipstick, but I'm going to be going out, I'm going shopping, and I'm going to have my mask on, so it needs to be a matte one, so I need to figure out what I've got. Might have to pull one from the Too Faced Melted Mattes, because I know they actually stay on the lips. Oh, that's so nice. I don't know if it's showing up on camera as well, but that is beautiful. I could put tons and tons of that on, but I'm going to leave it there. So what we're doing now is we're going to get a little brush and we're going to put some of that in the inner corners. Again, I'm just going to like take the top off and put this on the kind of inner corner. Not the inner corner, on the actual brush. This one is very sheer, guys, so you have to go in a lot with it. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Right, so let me go and find a lipstick and I'll come back. Right, so I've just gone into the Too Faced Melted Matte, kind of like, it's a skull glass that I keep them in, and I'm just going to use it because I know this one is very, very comfortable, and it stays on. So let's just pop a little bit of this on. It's not in my lip edit for this month, but yeah, it's not in my lip edit for this month, but I need it. I need to use it under my mask, and I know you don't have to wear lipstick because no one can actually see what you're wearing on your like lips, but a look isn't complete to me unless like you've got the whole look on, like you've made an effort to do your whole face. And yeah, I really, really like that lipstick. It looks nice with the eye look. Where's that brush I was using before? Sorry, I just want to blend that salted caramel shade out a little bit. I feel like I'm going to a party. Right, now let's get the mascara on. So the eyeliner, sorry. So we're just wearing this Too Faced one. It's from the Love palette, and it's in like it's a roll. Let's start again. It's the one that's in my project pan at the moment because I had to throw the other one out because I had that eye infection. And then we'll just put the mascara on, then we are done, guys. And I can finally go on about my day. I just need to do my mum's washing, and because the postman's been with the router, so I can finally go on about that. I'll have the router for Wednesday, and hopefully I'll notice that my Wi-Fi is a bit quicker. And I know I've said this before, but this mascara, guys, is so good. I don't know if I like it more than I like the Primark one, and that's insane because I absolutely love the Primark one. The false lash effect, I think it's called 3D false lash or something like that, but this one is turn up the volume and define it. It's so good. Look what it's doing to my lashes. Right, so I'm going to come closer now and you can see the finished look on the eyes. Right, so I couldn't have timed that more right if I tried. It just stopped recording and said card full, so I've deleted all the footage from the last two videos that I filmed. So yeah, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and taking some time out of your day. It really does mean a lot to me that you have. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.